Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.3% today. Tech stocks did okay again today. They still kind of leading this week. I think partly because Nvidia reports tomorrow. Expectations are kind of high for Nvidia, so it'll be interesting to see how that report comes out. But I'm really looking for two up days in a row from the S&P 500. We haven't had that here in this downturn since the end of July, and that's again nothing really wrong with what's happening so far. We're above 4,300, which is kind of the first point of resistance. We're above 4,100, which is a really big area of resistance for the S&P 500. And so, this is a consolidation period. Market's up a lot this year, was up a lot from the beginning of May, kind of overran itself. Artificial intelligence is kind of being hyped up and maybe got ahead of itself as far as that goes. I really think if we're going to go back to the all-time high that we established at the beginning of last year, it's going to come from rest periods like this, where the market kind of comes down, gets to a point where buyers start to come in, and you get that kind of dip buying that goes on and such too. So today is a fine day. There's nothing wrong with what's happening. The Federal Reserve Chairman Powell will speak on Friday, so it'll be kind of interesting to see how that plays into the market as far as that goes. But again, I think the main focus has to be on inflation and how much it continues to come down or not. If the Federal Reserve can kind of fully see what they want out of this and start, at least changing the rhetoric, that helps the market tremendously. But don't forget that the market is in an uptrend right now. The 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. We've hit new highs and haven't had a high that was lower than a previous high. We haven't had any lows that were lower than the previous lows yet either. So the upturn is definitely still intact as far as that goes. So, that can change, but right now you have to kind of go with what you see and see how this is going, and it's going pretty well, actually. So look forward to being able to see what's going to happen. I won't be here tomorrow. I'll be out of town, but I'll be back on Thursday. I'll do the Thursday video. And then of course, Friday, we have our live show, do my summary there. So look forward to seeing you then. Thank you very much.